What's up guys, my name's Nick.
My name's Nathan.
And this is Full Throttle Cars. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a little install on the roof and the windows and the seats on the RZR. Just showing you guys how to do that in case you didn't get them with your RZR when you first bought it and you need to know how to either take it apart or put back on one of the windows or the roof or whatever the reason may be. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it.
Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put on the bottom back glass panel. The back glass is actually two little, well really they're plastic pieces, and there's two clips that actually connects to the roll cage frame part of the RZR. And right now I'm going to show you how to do these because there's about 8 of them that you're going to have to clip on. But basically, if these aren't already on your glass, I'm going to take it off real quick right now. That just pops off like that. What you need to do is you put it right into this groove, just kind of push down and work it in there, and it holds it in place. As you can see, there is one on the other side, but right now we're going to pop this right over here. These will go in just like that. So right here you'll see you just kind of hit that in. We'll go to the other side. And just kind of pop this one in as well. All right, so that shows the first piece of the back glass is on.
Alright guys, so now we're going to install the upper back window here.
So while you're doing this, just make sure there is a groove to where it fits up in the seat belt hanger. It is kind of difficult to do this, guys. Just a little disclaimer before you get started too far into it. Oh, there we go. I just got mine in the groove. Almost there. There we go. This is on. Clip these two in. Alright. Now the last two are up top. Alright.
There we go.
Sometimes you're just going to have to hit those like that, guys. Don't be too scared. It is all plastic, and if you do end up breaking stuff, the little parts are fairly cheap.
Alright guys, if you haven't already, be sure to go down, drop a like and subscribe if you are enjoying this video. Share the channel, help us reach 1,000 subscribers. We're currently 100 subscribers away from hitting 1,000. So if you go down, share the channel, hit subscribe and the notification bell, that'll help us out a lot. Thanks. Alright guys, now it is time to install the roof. So hand that to me.
Yes sir. Sorry guys, I'm trying to film and work at the same time. Yep. So I'm gonna just bring it up. Nick's got a hold of it, strong man. Yep. All right guys, so there are those two holes right there. One's right in there if you can see it, and that just hooks in to that little piece right there. So you'll just lower it and it slides back into place.
That one, the front, they're both on.
Yeah, they're both on, and then there's these clips in the back, and you just kind of have to pull back and push it. It's a bit of an awkward stage in the process. All right, so he's got the first one in. Oh, he gets one in. I'll hold pressure.
You got that by on top.
Yeah. Maybe not. There we go. All right, those are all popped in. So that is really the roof and back windows. All right guys, so the last piece that we're gonna put on here is the front windshield. We'll just do it as the camera's here right in front of it.
That wind's kind of blowing it back there.
Yeah, and this is probably the most simple piece to put on. It just goes right up underneath that roof retainer, And then these clips, you can just hit them on right here. And then on the back here, you'll just squeeze that together until it pops, basically. But sometimes you just kind of got to work all of them at once. This one is clipped on. This one is almost there. These are kind of difficult. Next, doing those two over there. Is that on? Yes, it is. All right, now get this one more over here.
We'll move on to the seats next.
Here. Want to get that one there next so the viewers can see.
There's just a little bit of a notch right there. You gotta clip it in.
Yep. All right, now we're gonna move on to the seats, guys. Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna put in the seats, which is the last step to this whole process here. Just wanna kind of have it tilted forward, and then these two little plastic grooves go under this metal retainer. That is very important, otherwise when you sit down you will snap those right off. But then you just give this back seat a good whack and it's locked in place. And then come over here to the other one. Do the same deal. Slide those right under there and then clips right in. And that is the last step to completing the roof and both windshields of the RZR 900S.
All right, guys, now that we got the stuff back installed on the RZR, we're just going to go for a short little ride and we will jump right into it. Alrighty guys, so that is going to do it for this video today. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Currently about 99 subscribers away, guys. So if you guys could share the channel, spread the word, help us out, subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye guys.